Hi there. This year I decided I was going to decorate a tree for fall. I've seen so many of them, they're so pretty, so let's get started. I have this 7-foot slim Christmas tree that came from Michael's on sale. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by adding some fall leaf garlands right around the tree. And I'm just going to use some of those wire tips on the tree to hold the garland where I want it to go. So these were two 6-foot garlands, and I think that's all I'll need for this 7-foot tree. Now I did not use the base that came with the tree. I put it in this pot, and then I just added some Spanish moss to it. And remember, you can go around and turn all of these leaves the way you want. They spin right around on the plastic. So you could use any kind of garlands that you wanted, but I thought that was a good way to start. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding ribbon. I'm going to add this pretty glittery ribbon with a fall leaf pattern on it. Anything that you like. I have a plaid that I think I'm going to add to it also. And it's a wired ribbon, and I just scrunch it up and wrap those little wires on the tree right around it. I should have gotten a shorter tree and I wouldn't have to go up and down so much. If you don't know how to tie a bow, no worries. You take your wired ribbon, make a loop and scrunch it up, and then you take another loop like that. And we're going to twist that so the front is forward and just cut a little tail. And then I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, wrap it around that, and then I can attach that any place that I have already attached the ribbon to the tree, and it looks like I have a bow. So I have a whole bolt of the glittery fall leaf ribbon, and now I'm going to add a plaid ribbon. And I'm going to add it the same way, just wrapping those little wires right around the end of the ribbon. Now, if you don't feel like you have enough tips that you want to do that, you can also just use pipe cleaners or floral wire to attach your ribbon anywhere that you want to attach it. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add some of my little fake bows to the plaid ribbon. So I'm going to do this one here, and then I'm going to do one kind of around the side. I found these adorable little baskets on Amazon, and I'm like, these are perfect for so many things. But I thought how cute these would look on my tree. So I tucked some fall fruits and fall leaves in them, and I'm just going to hang them from my tree. I think this kind of will be like a Thanksgiving tree, and it's kind of got like little Thanksgiving vibes to it. Again, I am just hanging this from the stems. I'm wrapping them around it a little bit so that they don't fall off. I'll have to climb back up there to get some a little higher. In this one, instead of fruit, I put a couple of fall flowers in it. But these would be so cute for so many things. I'm thinking about using them on a tablescape, how sweet those would be at each person's place setting. I'm going to have to stand back and look and see where this last one should go. I think right here. I mean, this is just some more fall leaves of a different color, and I'm just tucking those right in there. Some pumpkins. there you have it. This is my interpretation of a fall tree. I love it. I think it's going to be great up through Thanksgiving, and I especially like those little baskets. If you have any questions about how I did this or where I got anything that I don't, put in the description below. Please ask in the comments, and I will try to make sure that I answer. I will put the supplies like these little baskets. I'll put a link to those in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this, and maybe it'll inspire you to get your tree out and decorate it early for Thanksgiving and fall. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here.